Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your Wix website. Adding a blog is a fantastic way to share your expertise, connect with your audience, and boost your site's visibility through fresh content. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Apps, and an expanded menu will appear from this menu. Select App Market. The App Market is where you'll find all the tools and integrations available to enhance your Wix website. Once you're in the App Market, you'll see all the apps readily available for integration. Take a moment to scroll down and explore the recommendations and business solutions that Wix offers. These apps cover everything from marketing tools to e-commerce solutions. Once you're done exploring, head back to the search bar at the top of the page and type in Wix blog. This will help you quickly locate the specific app you need. From the search results, click on Wix blog. You'll recognize it by the description that says, "Share your expertise and grow your traffic." Clicking on this will direct you to the Wix blog overview page. This page provides valuable information about what the app offers, so take a moment to read through its description. You'll see the features and pricing details along with user reviews for this app. These reviews can give you insight into how other users have benefited from adding a blog to their sites. Once you've decided this is the right tool for you, click on Add to Site. After clicking Add to Site, it might take a while for the element and configuration to finish, so just be patient and wait until it gets installed and added. Depending on your internet connection, this process could take a minute or two, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Once the installation is done, you will be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be able to customize your blog's appearance and functionality. Now locate the Add Element button on the top left part of your screen and click on it. An expanded menu will appear, showing you all the different elements you can add to your page. From here, locate the blog element we just installed. You'll see it listed among the other available elements. Simply click on it to add it to your website. Once the blog element is added to your page, double-click on it to view the settings and customization window. This is where you have full control over how your blog looks and functions. From here, you can adjust the settings, display, layout, and design, customize it to suit your branding and style. Whether you want to change colors, fonts, or the overall layout, these options allow you to make your blog truly your own. Take your time experimenting with different settings until you achieve the look you're going for. And that's it. You've successfully added a blog to your Wix website and customized it to match your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.